What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of DRock Fishing. Today we are going to install some rod holders in my Pelican. I installed some in that one, that's why. In my Perception Pescador Pro 100. We're going to be installing them right here on both sides. Alright guys, this is what you're going to need for the install. You need a drill, screwdriver. That's optional. You don't really need the tape measure, but if you want to be precise, you can. The rod holders, the stainless steel screws, self-tapping screws that come with it, some silicone, 2-inch hole saw. Oh, and you're also gonna need this so you can file down the kayak for this little corner right here. It won't sit well. Okay, so to measure, I'm gonna go out here 5 inches. And I'm going to install it right here, right in between the 5 and the 4. Okay, so I just installed the other side. Now we're going to install this side. Now, like I said, you are going to need to file it down. The reason you're going to need to file it down right here. See how you have that gap here? The reason you have that gap is because of this angle right here, way too narrow. So to help compensate for that, what you do is you just file down here, and that fixes the problem. All right, now that we grind it down, it's flush. Sits in there. Put some silicone all around. Here we go, guys, we're done. You can still put your fishing net in one, put your anchor in the other, and you got 2 rod holders. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.